Wave shapes. These are the type of waves available. The four same basic wave shapes used in audio: sine, square, saw, triangle. Mix blends the wave shapes, creating a smooth hybrid from one to another. Mix cycle controls mix position. Mix CV in. Select which external signal channel will be used to modulate wave shape mix. Let's add another oscillator as a modulation source, the OSC Lite version. Select which channel the plugin writes to. We're going to use red channel to send this oscillator signal to the next. Tip: set the plugin's color to the plugin's output channel choice. OSC Lite Red out to OSC Red Mix CV in. Mix CV vol. Slider to adjust the modulation depth for the selected mix CV input. Range. Set oscillator frequency based on sync interval, affecting line orientation. Unsync. Vertical move unless set exactly to frame range multiples, only then it locks. Frequency controls the repetition rate, how many times the wave appears across the screen. Horizontal vertical frequency ranges, sliders 0 to 1 equals to 0 to 30 full cycles. Unsync frequency range, sliders 0 to 1 equals 0 to 5 full cycles. Frequency phase changes where the wave starts, shifting position continuously, creating scrolls and rolls. Reset phase. Reset the oscillator phase to 0, the initial position. It was already there. Let's move it again. First, set the frequency phase drift to 0, then reset phase. Skew. Gradual changes in frequency bends the wave shape, altering its angle. Skew CV in. Select which external channel will be used to modulate the skew. In this case, we're going to use the red channel since the first OSC is right in there. Skew CV vol. sets how much the selected input affects the skew, rotating the waveform. Also, you can use the skew slider to fine-tune the result. Let's try different waves. Scale, offset, signal conditioning, including on almost all modules plugins. The scale sets waveform height, lower flattens, higher stretches around center. Offset moves wave up and down, changing intensity but not frequency or amplitude. Default for scale and offset equals 0.5. Note: module plugin output will always clamp the signal below 0 and above 1. Mod input. Modulation uses external signals to reshape amplitude, frequency or phase, adding complexity. OSC Lite is set to output on red channel, so we select red for modulation input. Amplitude modulation, AM, modulates wave height, amplitude. Frequency modulation, FM, modulates wave speed, frequency. Phase modulation, PM, modulates wave's phase angle, altering waveform alignment. Let's change modulator, OSC Lite, wave shape. See the difference between both modulation types. Let's try more variations. Invert the original product or an inverted version. OSC Out chooses output channel, replacing any upstream signal with module's output. Signal routing. On passes unused channels, off blocks them and outputs only processed signal. Example: selecting the channel for external modulation blocks its pass-through. Input smooth. Slightly blurs input to reduce artifacts from limited resolution, limiting precision. Let's play. first two OSC will produce our red signal, then the green signal. Let's add another OSC for CV modulating purposes. Using the first green OSC as the source modulation for mixed CV. Lastly, the blue signal. The top blue output OSC modulates the second OSC, skew, via blue channel. Let's add some movement.